currency. Let's learn how to set up multiple currency on the website. So we're in dashboard and I'm gonna go to stores, okay? And we have a subsection called currency here. Let's go to currency rates, okay? And here we have an option called options. Let's click on it. And that's the place where we are going to configure a currency. So by default we have all prices in United States dollars. Let's check this. I'm going to go to our website. Okay. And let's select some category, for example, women, tops, jackets. So as we could see, all prices in United States dollars. Okay. And now let's imagine the situation that we would like to add a new currency, for example, euro. Let's return back to the dashboard and let's use allowed currencies. I'm gonna find euro here. Let's find it. Okay, here's the euro, and I'm gonna press and keep Control button on my keyboard, and I'm gonna select euro now. Okay, now let's scroll down just to make sure that United States dollar is selected. So we have two currencies selected now. Now let's also scroll down to review some other options. The most important here is service. Practically service is an option where we could select provider who will send rates to us. We have several options here. I prefer to use Fixer, but it's up to you, so you could select Yahoo or whatever. So let's leave Fixer, and here I'm gonna click Save Config. Now let's clean cache. I'm gonna click here. On this page, let's select all checkboxes, and let's click Submit. Okay, now let's return to our website. Let's scroll down a little bit and let's refresh the website. So the same prices are in dollars. However, let's scroll up a little bit and we have a new option here, US dollar, and here is a scroll down icon. Let's click on it and let's select euro. Okay, and as you could see, prices in euros now. They're a little bit lower because euro cost a little bit higher. So we have now two prices on our website, euro or United States dollar. Okay. There is one thing that I would like to cover in scope of this lesson. Let's return back to our dashboard. Okay. And let's go to stars, currency rates again. If we would like to adjust a rate manually, here is a option where we could do it. For example, if I want 1 euro to be equal to $1, I'm gonna type 1 here. Okay, so 1 euro is equal to $1, and now let's click Save Currency Rates. Now let's clean cache. All the same, I'm going to select all checkboxes and click Submit. Now let's return back to the website. Let's scroll down. So we have $75 here. Let's refresh this page. Let's select euro. And we have the same 75 euros now. So we have manually adjusted our currency rate, and we say to Magento that $1 is equal to 1 euro. So that's how you could create multiple currency on your website and adjust currency rate manually. I hope this lesson will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.